Alfie's house, and today we are going to make pizza dough. And there's Jane, and we're really excited to do it. So first of all, Jane, have you got a bowl? She's got 2 bowls.
Which one would you like?
The smaller one will do, I would have
Oh,
thought.
one day.
Right. So Jane,
Yes, hey.
the first thing you need to do is you need to weigh
And subscribe to my gaming channel.
500 grams of bread flour.
Okay, 500. Right. Now, everybody, this one is Alison's bread flour, just standard from, I can't remember, Lidl's or Aldi's maybe.
And this is the best bread flour you can buy. So that's
yes,
really good.
really good bread flour.
Don't scrimp on the bread flour. Okay, well done.
Okay, be very careful how you open it because the flour does go everywhere. Now then, we press tar, don't know what that means, but tar very much. Oh, it's quite a lot, 500, isn't it?
Yeah.
I should have bought 10 packets, shouldn't I, really, with the
With the coronavirus,
with the
yeah.
zombie apocalypse. Goodness gracious.
Well, this will make enough for all of you, you see. And we know
Right.
that Alfie likes to have a Coke
Now,
Zoni.
500 grams. There.
That's it.
Now, very careful, ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
boys and girls.
And just pop it to one side.
Secure Alison's bread flour
So,
for another day.
Alfie, can you remember how much yeast we need?
Alfie, do you know? I don't know.
We need 20 grams
Oh.
for this amount of flour.
So,
And that is the equivalent of how many teaspoons?
I don't know.
5.
4.
Oh, well, we can soon
Oh, hang
test.
on, not in
Oh, not in
Hold
there.
your
Oh.
horses. We need a cup. Here we go. This will do. And you can put 4 level teaspoons in there. That makes 20 grams. Okay, that's enough. And now we need to activate the yeast. Now, who can remember how we activate the yeast?
Me.
No? What do we need to pour in there?
Hot water.
Some warm water, that's absolutely right. And what else do we need in there to help that yeast along?
Sugar.
Absolutely right. So we need a tiny bit of sugar, just for a little bit of food.
How much H2O, Ali?
Well,
Ali, Ali.
Ellie, we're going to need quite a lot of water,
Okay.
so you can fill that whole thing up. And we're going to put a bit of salt in, because salt is good flavour. Not too hot, that's it. A bit more, I'd say, a little bit more. That's it. Give it a good stir.
I love the way Alfie's supervising Mummy learning how to make bread dough. So, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of warm water.
And then, can you remember the last ingredient that we need? Alfie Jones.
Sugar, salt, lumpy, Ellie.
That's okay.
Is that okay? Oh, a bit of
I need
olive
some
oil.
olive oil.
In there.
No, we'll put that in a minute. Okay.
Right, we've activated the yeast.
Is it fizzing a little bit?
No.
You have to leave it.
Yeah. Can you see those bubbles?
Oh, yeah.
That's the yeast.
Okay.
Do you want to start pouring it in?
Yes, Ellie. All at once?
I put half of it in to start with. Right, now we're going to mix that up. Might need a bit of a bigger spoon.
Most satisfying with Alison's bread flour.
Yeah.